Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Golden Key Review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this training program called Golden Key. So this is the Golden Key Review, and right now we are on the sales page where we have the golden word in golden color with the key over Google. Okay, and it says my brand new masterclass reveals 6 methods anyone can use to make consistent online income using 100% free traffic, 100% beginner friendly. And then you may go and watch this video, which is hardly, I guess, maybe 2 minutes long, and get the golden key at a massive discount. The normal price is equal to $97, but today this will be for only, I guess, $7. Okay, so the front end will cost you $7, and then we have some 1 2 3 4 5 OTOs, 3 upgrades, I guess, maybe 4. So you will have to go and buy the front end, then you will be taken to the relevant sales pages of the OTOs. There you can check what are you going to pay for. Mainly I know about this $397 is personal coaching. Okay, and then these are some other done for you. You will get to know about them when you reach there. So there's nothing much here on the sales page. You can see this is the guy Paul Nicholls, I guess, and that is all. So straight to the point, okay, because there's nothing on the sales page. The reason being this person Paul Nicholls, he is already a good affiliate. Okay, so if I show you the profile on Oria Plus here, Paul Nicholls, and you will see he has created some products before, PLR, mostly PLR, I guess. Okay, and the stars here are 3.36 out of 5, which is fair enough, and total sales is almost just over 49,000. so he has audience. Okay, so this person Paul Nicholls, he already has its audience, his subscribers. So he was only going to launch this training program for its email list, for its own subscribers, and that is why you see people who know you, they'll buy from you based on the previous history. Okay, so that is why he did not mention much on the sales page. He did not try to explain anything what's going on here. So there's nothing you will find, there's no information you will find on the sales page, except that it's only a training program which will talk about 6 methods which you can use to make money with free traffic. And I guess one of the methods will be YouTube, it could be Facebook, whatever, but it's only $7. If you are a curious one, then you can go and buy the front end in $7 only and find out what Paul Nicholls has to teach you. And after that, if you feel like, you can upgrade as well. Okay, now anything else do I have to talk about? Because I don't know much. There's nothing on the JV page, there's nothing on the sales page, so even I cannot tell you much about this except only that this is a training program with videos, I guess, and you will learn about 6 methods how to make money online with free traffic. That's all I can say there. That's what I see on the sales page. Okay, so $7 is all it is. If you want to go and get this, then go and get this. Don't forget one thing, you will have to work. Okay, so even if you come here, let's say you pay them $7, $17, $3.97, whatever you pay them, they will give you some information, but you will make nothing whether you get information from them, from me, from this video, from the training course. No matter how you access the information for free or by paying somebody, that information is useless if that is not put into action. And who's going to take action? Only you, for yourself. Okay, I am recording this YouTube video because I am taking action. Okay, so this YouTube video is making money for me in some way or the other, because if you go and buy this from me, I will be making some commission. If you don't buy this from me, that's still fine, because I have my YouTube channel monetized. So when you are watching this YouTube video, in this video you must have seen some ads as well, the advertisements, and those ads make me money. So this is how I make my money using YouTube, using free traffic. Okay, so if you go below my YouTube video here, you will find few links. Mainly the top 2 links are main ones. So the first one saying make money on autopilot with forex trading, we'll talk about this in a moment. First, we'll talk about make money with Traffic Jarvis, okay? So this Traffic Jarvis is all about making money on YouTube with affiliate marketing by creating these kind of reviews and by monetizing your YouTube channel. So if you want to make money on YouTube by getting your YouTube channel monetized without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis. That will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only. And your YouTube channel will be monetized maximum within 30 days. Okay, once it is monetized, your job is pretty simple. Grow your channel, grow your subscribers, make videos, sell some products, reviews, etc. So this Traffic Jarvis will make you an expert in YouTube, affiliate marketing, and how to make money without even selling anything. Okay, so if you are a hardcore person who likes to work manually, because on YouTube you will have to work manually unless you reach to your desired number. Desired number means how much subscriber base you want. You want 10,000. You want to grow your channel to 10,000 subscribers, 20,000, 50,000, 1 million. You have to carry on working until you reach your milestone, and manual work will be required. Okay, you will have to make your video just like me. Whether you come on the camera or not, that will be a choice. I don't come on the camera as of now. You can come on the camera from day one if you want to, if you wish to, okay? So Traffic Jarvis will help you to establish your career in affiliate marketing using YouTube, using free traffic, and also helping you to make money for free on YouTube without even selling anything. It's actually a very, very lifetime offer, okay? So go get Traffic Jarvis if you want to replicate what I'm doing right now. And then we have the number one link which says make money on autopilot with Forex thingy here. Now this is a very exciting way to make money online with Forex trading. Now this will require some knowledge, but I am here not asking you to become some expert in Forex trading, because if you do this manually, you will lose money for sure. But we are not going to do Forex trading manually. We will be doing it automatically. Now, before we talk about what I'm talking about, let's tell you what Forex trading is. Forex trading is like currency trading. So such as you have this stock market, you buy stocks at low price, you sell them at higher price. Similarly, we have Forex thingy here. Forex trading means you have these currencies, Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, USD CAD, all these currencies in the world, okay, major currencies. So when one currency goes like high, the other currency goes down, right? We don't need to worry about what's going up, what's going down. All we need to worry about, we have to buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, keep doing that, okay? Now, fortunately, you do not have to do this manually, because I don't do this manually. Instead, we have a setup here. You can see this is my virtual machine. This is the graph of USD, CHF, let me check, USD and then Chinese, yeah. So this is the graph. We will be installing a software on this graph, and that software will be doing the trades for us automatically. So we will have the settings, the timing, and everything will be, everything will be installed inside the software. And once you set up everything, then it will be working on its own, okay? Now, how to set up this, what I'm talking about, for that, you have to click on the first link here, then enter your email address, enter your name, click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate, watch the video there, and then take action, okay? The syndicate is around 8 hours of training in which you will learn all the necessary things which you need to learn before you set up this machine. So all the technicalities and everything will be explained to you, and if you need support after that, you will be able to contact me on Skype here as well. But this is only for people who can learn, implement, and take action. If you do not have guts to go through 8 hours training, if you don't have guts to take action, then it's fine. You just watch the video till the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, please leave, okay? So if you want to take action and make money for the rest of your life, check out these two methods, because when I talk about something, this will make you money, then that will make you money, okay? So for example, this Forex thingy here and Traffic Jarvis, these two methods will, WILL, without Smith, okay? So these two methods, Forex trading and this Traffic Jarvis, they will make you money if you do everything correctly, okay? Will means it is certain, it is guaranteed that if you follow this, you will make money. Certainty, okay? And they will make you money for lifetime. Lifetime means for a long time, as long you're alive, okay? So other people might teach you something that might make you money, that may make you money, but what I am telling you, that will make you money with the guarantees, certainty, just like your death or my death. You're gonna die, I'm gonna die, it's certain. Similarly, if you go and follow Traffic Jarvis, or if you go and follow the syndicate here, you will be making money with the guarantee if you know how to follow instructions. If you cannot take action, if you're a loser, you have a problem with yourself, You can't look up, you're always looking down because you're a loser, I can't help you with that. Okay, so if you can follow, you can make money. But let's get back to this golden key. Again, it's a training program. So this Paul Nicholls, he tried to create this program only for his subscribers. That is why you will not find much information on the sales page here. Actually, no information on the sales page except this video. So it's only $7 if you have spare time to go through the courses, and you have $7 or maybe more, then go and get this golden key. If not, if you want the rock solid method which will make you money for rest of your life, then I have a couple of suggestions below my video. The first one will be making money on autopilot. Here you will not need to do much work, everything will be done by the software. But if you are interested in replicating what I'm doing, and you have time to work manually on YouTube, you have time to make YouTube videos, then go and get Traffic Jarvis and follow everything. Okay, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you can click on super thanks. However, subscribe is free, like is free, dislike is free too as well, depending on your mood and ego. You can dislike as well if you want to. And in the end, now I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing, option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first. first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have, all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.